so long to move as speedily as you seem to be moving now?
I think government has been moving. It's a question of moving in different styles. Like you see, the people here acknowledge that an endeavor like this, they appreciate and they acknowledge that it's not for the first time it was held. What they are appealing is that an endeavor like this, we should continue to have them, and we should take the debate in the provinces. And it's clear here that the people acknowledge that there are pieces of legislation that government has taken some time ago to show that the government has been moving.
Well, forgive me for being skeptical, but listening to the Controller Secretary General, who was giving a keynote address here today, one wonders whether, in fact, you are going to get the cooperation from traditional leaders that you think that this matter deserves.
I think some of the issues he can answer for himself, but knowing exactly himself as a traditional leader in his area in Mafefe, this practice is done. And the community owns the practice, and the community go through. Those who are doing it the right way, they go through his establishment, his traditional council. He knows very well, and it's one of those areas where we read of successful practices initiation practices taking place in his area. So, I think the issue is there might be some issues that he has himself excellent, but what we understand and appreciate, that's why we put him to be our speaker. We know that is one of the traditional leaders where in his community, in his traditional community, this practice is well managed.
But don't you think that comments like the ones he was making are, in fact, what is responsible for this carnage to continue?
The point you're raising is very important. It matters how people approach the debate at the public discourse, so that you don't have a situation where it appears like there are some amongst us who would like to suggest that this culture should not be promoted. That's why we have to have as much engagement like this one, so that even in a situation where you find there are these fly-by-night initiation schools, we should find a way as we address that, we don't find ourselves sounding like we are addressing or attacking the culture itself.
Members of